Stanley House is located right within walking distance of the central business district and also Liverpool One shopping centre.
It was in the warehouse district, Stanley Street. You've got the produce exchange, the fruit exchange, a lot of exchanges in history around that area, and it was used as one of the warehouses to store all the produce that went to the auction rooms. The existing building is two-sided. One face on Stanley Street, the other face backs onto Matthew Street. So it's a very deep building, but we were very lucky that we had a dual aspect. When you walk around the building now, we've managed to retain any original features, such as the arches and the fireplaces. We've brought those back to the original brick.
Well, we try to utilise this space as much as we can, so we've gone open plan wherever we could. We've also added some balconies to the front facing apartments, which is obviously a rarity in buildings like this, for people to have some sort of outdoor space.
So I think there's 2 duplex apartments. They've got the living space upstairs, we've got roof lights, double height spaces downstairs where you look over. Yeah, it's worked out really well.